If you want to share hundreds of photos on your iPhone without sending them one by one, here's how you can do it. Open up Photos application, then simply tap on Collections. Now scroll down to Shared Albums, then tap on Start Sharing. Tap on Settings, then toggle on Shared Albums. Once that's done, head back. Tap on Start Sharing one more time. Then in Start Share, type in a name for your album. After that, you can simply tap on Add Participants. Then you can simply type in the name of the participant you would like to invite. Once you're done, you can simply tap on this tick mark. Now go back to Photo Library, and then you can simply open any photo. Tap on Share button, then select Add to Shared Album, and then tap on Post. And just like that, you can simply choose all the photo you want, hit Share, and select Add to Shared Album. Make sure the correct album is selected. And that's it. Everyone you have invited can view all the shared photos and videos in one place. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.